Friday, September 19th, 2023. So there I got a call for an annual burner service. It's been about a year and a half, 2 years since I've been there, and she's complaining about she's got to hit the reset button now. So a lot of the time it's just a filter and a nozzle. You know, if it ain't all full of soot. I know this one's got a power venter. And I've been here before. I believe it's a steel boiler. But anyway, we'll go over there and give it the once over. It's a Beckett burner with a power venter. We'll see what's going on with it. A lot of times what happens there, and the nozzle gets all mucky and it doesn't spray right and it doesn't fire, and you gotta keep new nozzles and filters in these things. Keep them up and running clean. I'll try to get you some shots when I get over there. I'll change this filter, check it at least. It's a general. Oh yeah, it's just slimy. Nothing crazy, but F1. These gaskets are usually still fine.
Unknown caller.
I'm gonna have to bleed it through the line anyway, so run it through and bleed it through the pump. Make sure I get a good flow. Yeah, God bless me. I need all the help I can get.
Hey, did you ever get COVID?
I never did.
Wow.
Never got it. No, how about you?
Oh yeah, I got it like 3 times.
Wow.
I'm in healthcare, so.
Why so much?
I'm in healthcare.
Oh, okay. No, I never got it. I keep my vitamin D levels up pretty high, though.
I do too.
I keep them up right around 100 where my doctor starts flipping out on me. He starts calling me, hollering at me.
That it's too high?
Yeah, that's too high.
Really?
I told him I want it high. Yeah, if not, I get all flipping, you know, it gets down like 20 if I don't take the stuff.
Yeah, I have to.
Then I feel like shit, you know.
Yeah. Did you take 1,000 milligrams?
No, I take like 10,000.
Oh my god.
Yeah, shit, yeah, I do.
No, that's not normal.
Huh?
That's too much.
Depends. Sometimes I skip 3-4 days.
Oh my god, that's a lot.
Well, I need it. You ever have your vitamin D around 15 or 20? I mean, you feel like shit.
Yeah, no, I mean.
Yeah, it's got some boogers on there.
Whatever my doctor says is normal, it's normal. I mean, I
Well,
don't overdo it.
we're different then, I guess. I'd rather be a little bit on the high side than on the low.
On the low, yeah, definitely.
I don't know about you, but some people convert it. They go out in the sun and they get it for some reason. I don't know. It just seemed to be an issue with me.
I take the supplements too. I have to, but not 10,000. 10,000.
A lot of good Portuguese restaurants around here, huh?
Oh yeah.
Which one do you like?
Oh gosh. There's so many.
Yeah, there's so many of them.
I'm sure you do the cooking too, right?
Huh?
Yeah, I'm sure you cook.
Oh, yeah. I could show you a couple things about cooking.
Yeah.
No, I'm only kidding. I'm sure you're a good cook, huh?
Yeah. I'm Portuguese, so you don't have to be.
I've been cooking in my air fryer.
Oh yeah.
You got an air fryer?
Oh yeah, but I don't cook much in it though.
How come?
What the heck do you make in your air fryer?
I mean, I could cook anything in there. Anything you cook in the stove, you cook in the air fryer.
I use it mostly to preheat like certain things, but
I use it for everything. Steak, pork chops, chicken.
oh my.
Yeah, all good. It's. I mean, I put the steak in there. It's the same thing as putting it in on the broiler. I just have to flip it.
No, you have to have that smoky taste.
Well, what's the difference? It's still heat.
Yeah, but you're not getting that smoky taste though.
You're not getting the smoke.
You know the smoky taste on.
Yeah, maybe not,
You
but
barbecue?
yeah, I barbecue.
You do?
Not as much as I should, probably, but I've been doing that air fryer.
No kidding.
Yeah, I got the inserts that go inside the paper inserts,
Yeah.
so it's easy cleanup.
Oh yeah.
You get them on Amazon, they drop right in there,
Oh yeah.
and then it's easy cleanup.
Yeah. That's a good idea.
Yeah, it catches everything. I mean, even like if you're doing pork chops, it catches all the juice. And that it's like a parchment paper insert.
Yeah.
And like once a week I'll soak it and clean it really good, but it doesn't really get nasty.
Yeah.
Without them inserts, it's a lot of work to clean that thing all the time.
Well, it has a what do you call it? A coating that it sort of makes it.
Yeah, but still, I mean, you still gotta clean it. It's still
Well, if you're making steaks and stuff, yeah, I can imagine.
yeah, it's definitely an issue.
Really?
Unfortunately.
It didn't last long?
Huh?
The marriage didn't last long?
7 years.
7?
Yeah. Everybody should marry at least one time.
I think so.
No?
I'm still married after 40 years, so.
Well, I was talking to one guy yesterday. He said he was married for 58, 60 years, something like that. I said, what's your secret? He says, when she starts yelling at me, he just goes to the club. That's what he told me.
Oh my God.
Yeah. That's his secret.
Well, I mean, any marriage is highs and lows, so it's like, it's never
Yeah.
perfect. It's if it's
She starts yelling at him, he just goes to the club.
I get it, yeah.
Yeah. That's what he said. He was a cool guy. That's the guy I changed the oil tank for.
Oh.
Good guy.
If you don't mind being alone, why get married? I mean.
Sometimes it's less stress, peaceful.
That's true.
You know?
Well, that's true.
Just cleaning the air out of this thing. Make sure you get all the air out of it, out of the container, out of the filter. I think that's good. Should be fine. No, I'm not against the marriage thing. I mean, I would marry somebody again if they were loaded.
If they were loaded?
If they loaded with money, I'd marry her.
Oh my God. I'm sure you're loaded.
No, I don't know.
I don't think you need the money.
I'm just kidding.
I know.
If I met the right girl, I'd marry her. Why not?
Yeah.
If it was going to be forever.
Well, yeah, obviously you're having a hard time finding that right woman because, I mean, you've been single for a long time.
You know what it is with these girls? I'll tell you what the deal is. You go out with them for a month, and all of a sudden they think you're a personal ATM machine.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's
You know?
the problem.
They think I'm their fucking personal ATM machine.
Yeah.
It's like, I can't have that shit.
No, that's the problem. You have to have someone that works, that can support themselves, not depend on.
You go to Walmart with them, right? They get the whole shopping cart full of stuff, and they're looking at you to pay for it.
Oh yeah.
Ridiculous.
That's a red flag when you see someone that doesn't have a good job and.
Yeah, they ain't got nothing. Unfortunately, I've seen a lot of that shit. So yeah, I mean that's kind of I don't want to be dragging someone across the finish line.
No.
Shit, no.
Are you close with your daughter?
Yeah, I'm very close to my daughter.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah. Yeah, I talk. We'll see her all the time, and we're close.
Do you have grandkids?
I just have one daughter.
You don't have any grandkids?
No, she's never had any kids.
Oh, wow.
I don't know if she's gonna have any, to be honest with you. So, I don't really push the subject.
No.
It's up to her. Well, they got a house and they're both working, and it's not easy. She's 35 now, so I don't know if she's gonna have
Yeah,
any.
she's pushing it.
I mean, if they're both working and she has kids, it's gonna kind of put her. Then she's gotta pay for childcare. You know, I mean, it's kind of.
Oh, yeah.
It's not easy.
No, it's not.
So, I don't know. We'll see. The story's still being written.
True.
Yeah, so I figure if I find a rich chick, right, she won't be using me as a personal ATM machine.
Yeah, I get your point now. Why you want marry for money?
I'm bad, huh?
No.
I'm just joking.
I know you're joking because I know I'm well.
You gotta laugh. If you can't joke and have fun, I mean, life's too short.
So true.
But my vitamin D level go low. I won't be joking too much.
I guess not. So your cholesterol is fine?
Yeah, actually, it is good.
You don't have to boil up.
Once you start having leaks, you know, then you need to change it. But other than that, we'll leave it alone. Yeah, 25 years.